Guys, Dark Shadow here, and today I'll be showing you all my animals. So, we did on the other video. Sorry guys, I did not have to take down... What? Why would I say sorry? Okay guys, hopefully... No, excuse me. We don't have to take down the video. Yay! We don't have to take it down now. Because now it was my opportunity to keep it. So, I'm going to show you the first lizard. First pet, not lizard. His name is Dun 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 Dun. Hopefully I get better shots than, Guys, look at him. He's so cute, but he's kind of not as him. He's cute. Look at his hands. Hopefully I can. So I'll try to get some footage of him trying to eat something. Like a cricket or a mealworm. Yeah, tomorrow we're getting 2. Oh my apples. And also I want to say thank you guys so much for subscribing. Like, I'm so crazy. Like, we got... The YouTube channel only been up for like 1 day now for my first ever video. And we're... Okay, hold on guys. That's lightning, but we're really quick gonna... Hands in the air, lightning! Hands in the air, hands in the air! I got you. She sniffed the camera. Should I go on another chase? That's Diamond. Dun, dun. She's not the running. Okay, hold on. No. Yeah. What are you doing? Okay. How about lightning? Oh, she got away. We'll get back to the lizard. Okay, here's the lizard. So if you guys want to see him eating 250 now, like putting 250 crickets in there, he's like, yeah, click the bell button. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. Right. Yes, I keep on forgetting to do that. And then you guys can get maybe a shout out. Should I like read all your guys' comments one day? What do you think? Chandelier. What do you think's best? Chandelier. What do you think? Chandelier. What do you think? I don't think he likes me. Okay. He always hated me. Time to get to the next animal. We're gonna try to get to like Diamond. What do you guys not want to see them? What are you doing? Did I get that on footage? I'll be talking about Kovu now. Here's Kovu's. Kovu is a hand. Okay, hopefully I get better footage this time. Okay. Here, I'm gonna give him a treat, guys. I'll give him... what do you want, Kov? I'll give him this weird looking thing. It's a salad. You like it, Kovu? I think it's a flower. Oh, that should be a flower, Kovu. There you go. You in it? What? Are you gonna eat it? Eat it. Alright, I'll give him something bigger. Okay, maybe I got you to give this sneak party. I can't see it. Oh, you guys see him holding? See it? Oh snap, oh snap, oh snap. He's gonna eat your phone. He's gonna eat our phone, guys. Snap, oh snap, he's gonna come out. Don't. Hold. No go. I don't trust you. I'm sorry, Kovu. I don't trust you. No, Kovu, no! You're not allowed to escape. Okay? Now close the door. Bye-bye. Oh my goodness. Are you guys gonna look at the skin? Oh, it's so fluffy. It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die. Guys, is it? Okay, yeah, it's good. Because sometimes he likes to chew the lock. Who does that? Yeah, no one does that. Totally. No one does that. Okay, time to get to Duchess. So, no, first we'll go to Lightning and Diamond. Here is Diamond! Here she. And then, if you guys recognize, Toad is actually from The Lion King. And Diamond's not. Maybe one day. She's like, one day, I'm gonna eat your face, say. What do you think her dreams are? Her dreams are about to come true. What is she? Okay. Okay, let's just wait. Okay, let's get a light. How are you guys ready? See you later. I'm a banana. Hello, Lightning. Hello. Okay. Oh, the wildcat. I don't want to go chasing after you. Gonna sniff the... Guys, what just happened? Lightning just blacked it out. I don't think she wants to talk. Guys, she just went back there. Okay, we're gonna leave her alone because I don't want her to get angry at Mike because she's my cat. Now we're gonna go look at Duchess. Here's Duchess. Hello, Duchess. Hello. Duchess. Oh, come here, Duchess. Duchess. Oh, come here, Duchess. Duchess is the most oldest animal. She's like 3 years old. Yeah, she's the same as Destiny, my sister. Oh, wait, she ain't 3. Duchess is like whenever her birthday comes, like, you finally celebrate my birthday. Hello, Duchess. She's like, hello, I'm just eating now. May I leave? I don't think we have any more animals. But tomorrow, tomorrow we're getting 250 crickets. So that's the end of the video. Make sure you smash that like button. Hit those notifications. Yeah, turn it to a pancake. Get those notifications on. And I'm still thanking you. You guys can get a shout out if you guys want to. You don't have to. I'm not. No press. Okay. Guys, look at this. What, guys? Wasn't it just raining? Oh my. Okay, that's the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that smash like and hit it with a hammer. Don't actually, because you might break your phone. I'm not Don't actually hit it with the hammer.
Actually hit it with the hammer, bro.
Don't. You might break your phone.
That's what we want them to do.
Don't hit it.
That's how we're luring them into our trap to break their phone.
No, I don't want them to break their phone. I care about them.
Sure you do.
Okay, stop that. Now I'm gonna go post this online. Right? Santa Claus. And Santa Claus's feet. Okay, have fun, guys. See you very soon. Bye.